In which country are mosquitoes not found? A. Iceland, B. France, C. Japan. Correct answer is A. Iceland. How many planets are there in the solar system in total? A. 8, B. 9, C. 7. Correct answer is A. 8. Do you know what is the average height of a human? A. 4 to 5 feet, B. 5 to 6 feet, C. 6 to 7 feet. Correct answer is B. 5 to 6 feet. What is the average lifespan of a cow? A. 10 to 15 years, B. 15 to 20 years, C. 20 to 25 years. Correct answer is B. 15 to 20 years. Which animal is considered the most intelligent? A. Chimpanzee, B. Dolphin, C. Elephant. Correct answer is A. Chimpanzee. Which country's national flower is the rose? A. India, B. United Kingdom, C. Japan. Correct answer is B. United Kingdom. Which company continues to pay salary even after an employee dies? A. Google, B. Microsoft, C. Infosys. Correct answer is A. Google. In which country is NASA located? A. Russia, B. China, C. United States of America. Correct answer is C. United States of America. Which country has the most mosques? A. Saudi Arabia, B. Indonesia, C. Egypt. Correct answer is B. Indonesia. Which is the country that has never been a slave? A. Nepal, B. Bhutan, C. Thailand. Correct answer is C. Thailand. Which animal has the longest tail? A. Giraffe, B. Asiatic wild dog, C. Hippopotamus. Correct answer is A. Giraffe. What is the national tree of India? A. Banyan, B. Neem, C. Peepal. Correct answer is A. Banyan. Which Indian bank was the first to open its branch in China? A. State Bank of India, B. Punjab National Bank, C. Bank of Baroda. Correct answer is A. State Bank of India. Where is Charminar located? A. Delhi, B. Hyderabad, C. Lucknow. Correct answer is B. Hyderabad. In which country are black swans found? A. Australia, B. New Zealand, C. South Africa. Correct answer is A. Australia. Whom did Lord Krishna kill? A. Ravana, B. Kansa, C. Meghnad. Correct answer is B. Kansa. Which country is called the land of the rising sun? A. China, B. Japan, C. Korea. Correct answer is B. Japan. Which country is called the land of 1,000 islands? A. Indonesia, B. Philippines, C. Thailand. Correct answer is A. Indonesia. Which country's president receives the highest salary in the world? A. United States of America, B. Singapore, C. Switzerland. Correct answer is A. United States of America. What is the national flower of India? A. Rose, B. Lotus, C. Marigold. Correct answer is B. Lotus.